Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this video, I will show you how to check if secure boot is enabled in Windows 11. Secure boot is a security feature that protects your PC from malicious software during a startup. It ensures that only trusted software loads when your computer boots. So let's get started. To check this one info, first press Windows plus R key on the keyboard, and after that type ms info 32 and then click OK. Now by default system summary will be selected in the left sidebar. On the right you need to find out secure boot state. If it says on, secure boot is enabled. If it says off, secure boot is disabled. And if it says unsupported, your system may not support secure boot or legacy mode is enabled on your PC. That's all about this video. Bye.